Welcome to Executive Maids. We understand that you have a busy life and you don't have time to clean your home. That's where we come in. We provide consistently outstanding quality cleaning services at a fair price. We've been cleaning homes just like yours for over 30 years. We are a private, woman-owned premier house cleaning company serving homes in Broward County, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Coral Springs, Parkland, Sunrise, Pompano Beach, Hillsboro, Coconut Creek, Pembroke Pines, Hollywood, Weston, and Davie. Our cleaners have been fully vetted and extensively trained. And we are fully insured for your protection to give you peace of mind. We specialize in deep, top-to-bottom, deluxe VIP cleanings, as well as weekly and bi-weekly cleanings. We are committed to providing our customers with the best possible cleaning experience. From the time you call to inquire about services until you see your freshly cleaned home, you will enjoy our friendly, professional, and caring team. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here for you.